Hotel brothers and sisters, and welcome back to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing. I'm your host, Dr. Daryl Greer, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, and Qigong instructor. Today's topic is biomagnetic therapy and healing of the hands. Biomagnetic therapy is a holistic healing technique that utilizes magnets to promote health and well-being in the body. This therapy is based on the principle that the human body has its own magnetic field, and by applying magnets to specific areas, it is believed that the body's natural balance can be restored. Healing with the hands, on the other hand, refers to various energy healing practices where practitioners use their hands to channel healing energy to the recipient. Techniques such as Reiki, therapeutic touch, and Qigong are examples of healing techniques that involves hands-on energy work to promote relaxation, reduce pain, and support the body's natural healing process. Both biomagnetic therapy and healing with the hands are non-invasive approaches that aim to address imbalances in the body's energy field and promote overall well-being. While the mechanisms behind these therapies may not be fully understood by conventional medicine, many people have reported benefits such as reduced pain, improved energy levels, and enhanced relaxation from these practices. It's essential to consult with a qualified practitioner and discuss any health concerns before trying these therapies to ensure safe and effective treatment. Let me go over several techniques used in healing practices that involves hands-on energy work. Some common examples are 1. Reiki, a Japanese healing technique where practitioners use their hands to channel energy to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and support the body's natural healing abilities. Number 2 is the therapeutic touch. This is a gentle, non-invasive technique where practitioners use their hands to balance and clear the body's energy field to promote healing and overall well-being. Number 3, something called healing touch, a holistic energy therapy where practitioners use their hands to clear, energize, and balance the body's energy centers to support healing on a physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual level. Number 4, craniosacral therapy, a gentle hands-on technique that involves applying light touch to the head, spine, and sacrum to release tension and promote the body's self-healing mechanisms. Number 5, Qigong, an ancient Chinese practice that combines movement, breath work, and meditation to cultivate and balance the body's energy, known as Qi for health and vitality. Number 6, polarity therapy. Now, this is a holistic healing technique that involves hands-on techniques to balance the body's energy flow and promote physical, mental, and emotional well-being. These techniques are used by trained practitioners to support the body's natural healing processes, reduce stress, and enhance overall health and well-being. It's essential, I can't stop saying that enough. It's essential to seek guidance from a qualified practitioners and discuss any health concerns before trying these hands-on energy work practices for yourself. As you can hear, there are many techniques one can use to help themselves and others to bring about healing in the mind, body, and spirit. And I hope you got something from this segment and go on your own quest for self-healing. And until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep expanding your understanding of the world and beyond. Remember, ancient knowledge is still out there. Seek the truth. Ashe, ashe, ashe.